This is clean. This is cool. I really like this. This is well done. So as I was saying, here is the starboard, and then here's the port. These are the doors that hinge open like gull wing doors. A little claustrophobic, but it's nice. There's plenty of room in here. Got a little seating over here. Some storage right here. Again, we're looking aft now from the V-berth. Lighting in there, storage. So this, the area you step down into just before you're in the V-berth is actually a wet bath. And then this, I guess, is the actual head. It's clean, it's simple, does the job. JL audio all throughout the boat. That's awesome.